family, Black Phoenix checking in. Been working on my targets. I finally got the prototype pretty much lined out, and I got the jig lined out so that way I can create more of them. It's pretty much standard. I've been working on my vibe table, and so that way I can be more mobile when I put this in the shop, because right now I'm outside doing it at the RV, but I'm about to convert everything inside of a shop, so I'm getting it where I can be able to have everything in one spot. So if I have someone building the targets or something else, especially on this platform, they can be able to assemble this real quick and be able to go. So I'm going to show you how I put it together real quick. And these are the foots actually. Like I say, this is the prototype, so they're going to actually be a little longer than this. But this is what I'm doing to make an example and to get the jig down correct. So pretty much my frame, you got a couple different deals in here, so that way you can line it out good and be able to set your foot and stuff in there. So that's pretty cool. And just to show you these are the legs. Pretty much come standard, you see. And this is the base. And the base is going to be pretty simple, because due to what setup you get, these will be different sizes. So sometimes if you only have one target on there, these will be longer. If you got two targets on there, these will be a little shorter. So it just depends on what you get. But I'm going to break this one down so you can actually see the way this one is set up. And this is the base prototype to get it like I wanted it. And this is AR plate, by the way. This is 1/4 inch AR plate. I can get 3/8, so I can get thicker. So, but right now I think this is great because they'll pretty much spin when the bullet hit it, so it's not going to get the direct impact. Like I said, this is an example. Laying it out. Right now, well, one of these is backwards, I believe. But this is pretty much just how it's going to go. You'll have bags on it to hold it down, so that way you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. But this is, like I say, this is the prototype to pretty much line it out. And you can also, some people want to knock them in the ground, but I figured out that hitting these right here a lot can cause a lot of wear and tear. So it's better to make foots or feet, so-called, where you can be able to just set a bag or set a stone or a stick or something on top of it when you're shooting, because they're gonna, it's gonna move. So get something sturdy and sit on them, and you'll be able to do your thing. And like I say, it's easy to break down. And that's it for that one, man. Hold on.